Hello again, everybody. It's Scott Hudgins with Dodd RV, located in Yorktown, Virginia. Family owned and operated since 1956. Today, we're looking at a brand new 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 226 RK. Nice lightweight fifth wheel, single slide out, great couples fifth wheel. Let's get started, take a look. Guys, remember, watch all the way to the end of the video. I'll show you a clip with the slides in so you can see what you do and don't have access to when you're in travel. Remember, give me a quick thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell. That'll give you a notification every time I put a new camper on, so be the first one to see new floor plans, options, decors. Make sure you hit that bell. Also, check down in the description. I have all your specs and holding tank sizes, all your measurements, and some links to some other campers if this is not quite the one you're looking for. Always remember, if you're coming out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, standing at the entry door looking in, your slide out here. Kitchen in the back. Side stairway and hallway up to the bathroom and master bedroom. That's where we'll start. In your bathroom, you got glass enclosed shower. I got plenty of headroom in here, nowhere near the top. Good head level for your shower head. You've got a retractable clothesline that hooks in here so you can dry your clothes. Nice shower, heat duct, an AC duct, exhaust fan, nice countertop, medicine cabinet. Nice room around the toilet. Little towel bar and more storage. Motion sensor light here as well. You got a window in the hallway that's got a blackout roller shade, but it does open. Opposing windows both open in here. You got a solid door with a magnet. Closes that off. Your second AC, both ducted. Nice motion sensor light with hanging storage. Storage all around the bed, lights, receptacles, USB, tons of storage. In the bed, you've got storage underneath with shocks that hold it up for you. A spot for a TV. Going back down to the living area, assist handle, nice treads on the step. You've got the telescoping booth dinette. We'll take a look at that down. All right, on your table, telescoping table, you want to remove these cushions out of your way. On both sides, once you do that, it's easier for the table to drop, but you've got two levers here. One, two. That loosens the table, so you got some play, but it also makes it to where you can push the table down. Once it is down, it sits on this ledge, and you're going to want to lock these two levers. We'll do it with the phone hand. Like so. And then you can drop your cushions in place to make your bed. Now, by doing that, this is your second bed. Very easy setup and breakdown, and it's pretty easy to leave it in that position for travel. You pull the levers to unlock it, and the table raises back up. You've also got control for your max air fan, which is here. Thermostat, lights, tall cabinets, nice large TV that is on a swivel arm. Again, blackout shades, good storage. Your main AC again that's ducted. TV's directly across from the theater seats. Theater seats have heat, massage, LED lights. Footrest that kicks out. Again, your windows open. Blackout shades. Little cup holders that fold up and in. Refrigerator is a 12-volt refrigerator freezer. You do have the sink cover that does roll up. It does act as a drain, a strainer for drying your stuff. You've got a good size Furrion oven with LED lights. That 3-burner range. This glass cover acts as a nice countertop there. Drawers. Large microwave. And you got storage with the shocks that hold them up for you. Down low storage under the sink's a good spot for a trash can. We already saw that large stainless steel sink with the extended spray head here. Glass front overhead storage. When you come in, you got nice little cubby holes and drawers here as well. They give you the tire link system for monitoring your tires. You get the app on your phone for that. Your Compass Connect, control your awning, your slides, check your holding tanks. Your battery tender gives you an idea of the battery voltage. You've got your stereo system. You have USB. You've got built-in speakers inside and out. Your brand new 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 226 RK. We'll work our way outside and take a look out there. All right, moving to the outside, you see a nice front cap. Your turning point pin box by Kurt. Little storage area, your batteries, your solar charge controller, motion sensor lighting. Little latch up top that holds that for you. You've got a 30-pound LP bottle on both sides. We are looking at a dry weight of 7,276 pounds. Convenience area for your outside shower, cable, water hookup, your pull valves. You can pull everything right through the bottom so you can keep that door shut and insulated. Auto leveling controls, your dock for your tire link, which is your tire monitoring system. You do have a heat duct in the basement here, nice clean storage. Nice thick slam latch compartment doors. We are looking at a 50 amp service. Sewer hookup with a little convenience light. You're all looking at Goodyear Endurance tires. With those, we're looking at 15-inch. There are those auto leveling jacks. Moving to the back, you do have a receiver on the back. On that, you've got a 300-pound hitch rating. Factory installed ladder. We'll take a look at the roof. 165-watt solar panel, AC, roof vents, skylight, top of that slide out. You do have a built-in backup camera, exhaust for your range. Moving to the campsite, a full-length power awning with LED lights, outside speakers, large assist handle. You've got the aluminum steps with the extended legs there for extra support on your solid stance. Your model number right at the doorway. Hot water heater and furnace access. Hookup for LP outside. Again, other side of your clean pass-through storage, your battery disconnect, motion sensor light, cable hookup. Your other 30-pound LP bottle. Your brand new 2023 Grand Design Reflection 150 Series 226 RK. Remember, if you're heading out to the lot to see this or any other camper in person, make sure you ask for Scott. All right, as promised, with the slide in, you got full access to your fridge and your kitchen. You can get through. That is tight, but you can squeeze through here to get to the bathroom, but very tight. Anybody my size or bigger is going to need to put this slide out. But full access to your fridge here.